contains graphic scenes of animal medical procedures. Viewer discretion is advised. The following program contains dramatic reenactments and material that may be disturbing to some audience members. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, now that was fucking bizarre. I have never seen, out of 1 year of almost 2 years of archiving stuff here on YouTube, I have not seen a TV channel have 2 viewer advisories before a program. That is bizarre. I believe this channel used to be the Canadian version of the Discovery Channel. Or no, Disney. I think it was not Disney. Discovery Science? I'm not sure.